Hi, I'm Laura Apollo and I'm here to talk about some ways for well-being that you can do really simply and really enjoyably at home. So one of my favourite ways to feel good about myself is to sit down and do a little bit of art. So I thought today it would be a nice thing to do is to make some reflections cards. And I like to carry these with me and give them away to friends for gifts and just to cheer people up. And they're really good in those moments when life feels like it's getting a bit tough. So let's have a look at how to make them. So I've got my green card here. I really like this colour. Now I want to trim that down just so I don't have that writing there. You can either trim it off or alternatively you can stick something over it. It's really up to you. We'll leave it there for now though. I've got this great picture of the fox. And again, I got this out of a children's storybook, which I picked up at a local thrift store, and it had lots of scribbles and stuff in it. So I thought, time to chop it up and use the pictures. So we'll use him. And I've got this little quote here, which I really love. I'm just using the back of my picture because this is the picture I'm going to put on the front of the card. So let's just turn that around. We'll stick that down. Now what I want to do is I just want to make sure that picture is on there. I don't know if you can see the light through there. We can just adjust the card through there so you can see the light. There we go, fantastic. Nice. All right, we're going to push that down. Now the great thing about using a glue stick is that it dries fairly quickly and it's not too messy. So it gives us a chance now to trim through. And there's the start of our card. Okay, let's have a look at our quote here. And purposefully crooked. And there we have our journal card. So one of the things I like to do is get my black marker and help this stand out. I went over the can then, a bit close. Look at that. So what we've got here is a small collection of our journal cards. And there's some other examples. So lots of fun ideas. I hope you enjoy playing with them and I hope I've inspired you today. Thanks.